So, you're thinking about switching banks, huh? Maybe you're tired of those hefty fees, or you're just looking for something a bit more modern. And you've heard about EQ Bank. Maybe you're wondering if it's even a real bank, right? I mean, it sounds too good to be true. High interest rates, no fees, all online. Is it legit? Can you actually trust your money with them? Let's dive in. First things first, EQ Bank is indeed a Canadian bank. But it's not your typical brick-and-mortar joint. It's what we call a digital bank, which basically means it exists entirely online. No branches, no tellers, just you and your computer or phone doing your banking thing. This might sound scary if you're someone who likes the personal touch of a traditional bank, but hear me out. EQ Bank is actually owned by Equitable Bank, which has been around since 1970. So, while EQ Bank is the shiny new digital face, it's backed by a pretty solid financial institution. This means your money is protected by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, just like it would be at any other bank. Now, let's talk about what makes EQ Bank different. The big draw is those high interest rates on savings accounts. It's like getting paid to save, which is basically a dream come true for anyone trying to build an emergency fund or save up for a big purchase. And to top it off, there are no monthly fees, no account minimums, and no hidden charges. It's like they're trying to make banking fun again. But is there a catch? Well, like any financial product, there are always pros and cons. While EQ Bank offers great interest rates, you do give up some of the convenience of a traditional bank. For example, you can't deposit cash or checks directly into your account. You'll need to use electronic transfers or mobile deposits. Also, if you prefer face-to-face interactions with a banker, you're out of luck. So, is EQ Bank right for you? It really depends on your banking needs and preferences. If you're someone who values convenience, high interest rates, and low fees, then EQ Bank could be a great option. But if you need access to branches or prefer dealing with people in person, you might want to stick with a traditional bank. One thing to keep in mind is that the banking landscape is always changing. New digital banks are popping up all the time, and traditional banks are trying to keep up by offering their own digital services. So, it's important to shop around and compare different options to find the best fit for you. Now, I want to be clear, I'm not a financial advisor. This information is for general knowledge purposes only and shouldn't be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial professional before making any major financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.